stuff. Yeah, all done. Good job, babe. Oh, look, there's Woody and Bo Peep.
Yeah. And Buzz on the other
There's
side.
a,
Loki and Buzz on the other side.
Aw. Cherries are cute. You guys are cute.
Big cloud.
Oh, that's neat. Good night, good night. Thank you so much. Here's that big beauty.
Bye-bye. We're 20 feet away from it, buddy. In this side.
What?
I told him to come bye-bye.
Oh. Restroom for now? Good?
I'm good now.
I'm fine. Okay. Good night. Thank you. Good night.
I tried to get Will and her, but I couldn't get Lainey. Lainey wasn't dead. Like, dead.
Hey, babe, are we getting on the screen? Man, so we get the car.
Woo!
Tell them beep beep.
Go this way.
There it is, beep beep. Tell them beep beep. There it is, beep beep.
Remain seated. Doors closed.
It did, didn't it? Stinker. Yee. Oh, more fireworks. Jeez, I was waiting on the monorail to come out.
I got the sound of the crane.
Yeah, right? See, he's on his tram. Okay. I'm just using it as a guide.
Mm-hmm.
I was expecting the monorail to come out sooner than it has. I'm just trying to make sure it's in the right direction. Oh, here comes this one.
Oh, wow. Ready, here comes.
Look, Colton, look. Look. Beep, beep. Did it go by? Ooh, look at all the fireworks. Looks so far away in this. And here comes the other one.
Beep, beep.
Bye. Wave, bye. Right, we should be right here.
This one, yes. 307, we're on actually that road. We're on that side of the last road.
All right, everyone.
Beep.
It's been a pretty good day. We had a good time. We met up with a homeschool group today. It was a lot of fun. Started off a little rough, but it was fun. I think we were the youngest, the littles.
Yes.
The littles.
Yes.
But it was enjoyable. It was fun. We rode Frozen, the boys' first time ever. So Biggie got stuck with the spider monkey climbing him, and I had Cole with me, and he was oohing and wowing, but he was also covering his face and his ears because the music is so loud in there. Wow, it was so loud, but it was fun to ride, and we didn't get evacuated.
Right. That's the first time I've actually made it
First
all the way through
time
the ride.
in forever.
All the way through the ride.
I know. That was the boys' first time. If the music wasn't so loud, I think they would have done better. Cam was just shaking profusely. I like a vibrating machine. It was, whoa. But all right, now we're in the parking lot. And God bless everybody and have the day you deserve.